Hi and welcome to MEL Scholar. This is biology. There are 5 wonderful, engaging and as always totally investigation-based schemes of work designed to develop an understanding and application of the scientific method, and they are plants and photosynthesis, humans' health and fitness, microbiology, introduction to the biosphere and ecology, and kingdom animalia, vertebrates and invertebrates. These schemes are designed to provide pupils with an amazing insight and experience of the natural world, from the very smallest to the very largest, and how they are all interconnected. Your pupils will learn how special life is on this little blue dot in the universe, how wonderfully diverse it is, from the deep-sea smokers and tardigrades to thousand-year-old plants and the flesh-eating variety, so beloved of Darwin. Dive in, have fun, and enjoy exploring this bit of science that creeps, that crawls, that wriggles, and upon which we all ultimately depend.